one dance, baby. That one dance.
Measuring the matchbox using tape measure. We need to do 3 trials to measure the length of matchbox. Bakit? Para malaman if same ba yung makukuhang measurements every time na magme-measure, kasi minsan may instant na 0.1 lang yung difference. In trial 1, I got 5.1 centimeter. So, nakalagpas. In trial 2, centimeter. Kasi sakto lang siya. Trial 3 last. 5 centimeter. To get the average of tape measure, we need to add this 3 and divide it by 3. 5.01 plus 5.00 plus 5.00 equals 15.01 divided by 5.0033. To get the average deviation, kailangan natin i-minus yung tape measures dito sa average. For example, 5.01 minus 5.0033 equals 0.0067. Repeat lang. 5.00 minus 5.0033 negative 0.0033. Parehas lang sila ni trial 3. Copy na lang natin sa 0.0033. Para makuha naman natin yung average nitong sa average deviation, we need to add ulit dito. Tapos divide by 3. Pero yung mga negative sign, papalitan ng positive. 0.0033 plus 0.0033 equals 10 divide 3. Kuha tayo ng 0.0044. That's it. Okay. So here we will be solving the height of the tricep. And we have a ruler to measure the height. And we have here the tricep, AAA. So let's start. We will be putting into 0, 0. What we will get is 4.1 and then next we will measure it again. 4.01. Let's put here, and we have here, and here we got 4.0. Let's write here 4.00, and then add this 3. Okay, 4.1 plus 4.01 plus 4.00 is equals to 12.11 divided by 3. We will get 4.0367 for decimal, then round off the next. Then to get the average division, x minus min. Then here 4.01 minus 4.0367 here is equals to 0.00633, and then the next 4.01 minus 4.0367 is equals to negative 0, negative it turns to positive 0.0267 here. And the next 4.00 minus 4.0367 is equals to 0.0367, and the 4 decimal point.
Hi po, I'm Juliana Paginto from the group of Apple, and we have this experiment called measuring lengths. So, I already measured all the objects, the length of the matchbox, the height of the dry cell and its circumference using transparent ruler and tape measure. And in my generalization, I observed that in every trial per object has different measurements. Let's take my measurements in the height of the dry cell as an example. In my trial 1, I got 4.4 centimeters. But on my trial 2, I got 4.5 centimeters. I got 4.4 centimeters in my trial 3. So, measuring with tape measure is just the same as the transparent ruler. I got, or the two got different measurements in every trial per object. You see? But there is this one measurement, my measurement, I got the same centimeters.
In the experiment we performed, the advantage of tape measure, it is accurate and flexible and allow the user to measure the circumference of circular object, while in the ruler, it is easier to use if we measure an object or an area that has a straight line. But it's not flexible, so we cannot use it to measure the circumference of circular object. I observed in the experiment that if we measure an object repeatedly, there are instances that the answer in the first trial is different from the second and third trial.
Without the ability to measure, it will be difficult for scientists to conduct experiments or form theories. The purpose of measurements can be categorized as measurements in the service of quality, monitoring and safety making, something fit and problem solving. We should note that measurement sometimes serves multiple purposes.
Generalization. In generalization, I observe in measuring the matchbox, there's a slight discrepancy in measuring the length. In application, the advantage of using tape measure is more easier to measure than the ruler because it's easier to see the numbers in tape measure than in
Often notice that in order to get the circumference of a dry cell using a ruler is you have to use a yarn because the ruler is not that flexible to get the exact measure of the circumference of a dry cell.
Bye!